Well, hello to all of you wonderful people out there, and welcome to the show. Today is Friday, March 13th, 2026. My name is Lenny Hernandez, and we've got a fantastic episode, chock full of wonderful stories ready to go just for you all. On today's edition, we're celebrating Stanley as he celebrates turning 101. We're partying with the Princeton as they mark 4 years open. We're honoring the Jewish festival of Purim. We're celebrating love as 2 Westbury residents tie the knot. We're showing appreciation for employees and maintenance workers for Employee Appreciation Day and Maintenance Worker Appreciation Day. And finally, we are showing some love and kindness to our furry and feathered friends during Justice for Animals Week. Woo! We are certainly chock full of exciting and heartwarming stories, so let's not waste any more time, shall we? Let's get this show on the road. Welcome to Arrow Nicely News. Well, to kick things off, we're sending our well wishes to Stanley at the Boulevard Senior Living, St. Charles. Stanley recently marked his 101st trip around the sun, and he celebrated with loved ones and a wonderful celebration complete with a scrumptious cake generously donated by the local Schnucks grocery store. A very, very happy birthday to you, Stanley. We are so thrilled that you are spending such a special time with us here at the Boulevard. And speaking of milestones, let's turn our attention to the Princeton Senior Living in Lee Summit, Missouri. The Princeton opened its doors for the very first time in February of 2022, meaning that this past February marked 4 years of fun, camaraderie, growth, and community. Well, to celebrate, the community had several joyous events, including a visit from Wings of Love, a bird rescue and rehabilitation organization that also trains birds for performances. The residents love seeing these majestic creatures up close and getting to interact with them and see what they can do, which was absolutely beautiful.
You make me happy when
The community also held a festive gathering featuring the live musical stylings of Kim Osborne and a visit from the one and only Casey Wolf, the mascot of the Kansas City Chiefs. Everyone had a fantastic time jamming out to music and getting into shenanigans with Mr. Casey Wolf himself. A big congratulations to the Princeton Senior Living for 4 extremely successful years of community building and improving the lives of residents each and every day. Happy 4 years, and here's to many, many more. Next up, we're checking out the events held by communities to learn about and celebrate the Jewish holiday of Purim. Purim is a commemoration of the salvation of the Jewish people in ancient Persia from a plot to annihilate them. The story is recounted in the book of Esther, which is part of the Hebrew Bible. Communities enjoyed learning about the holiday by watching Arrow's diversity and inclusion video, A Purim Conversation with cantor Laurel Barr.
The word Esther, the name Esther means hidden. So you know, if you remember the story, that Esther was hiding a secret. And her secret was that she was Jewish. And she did not want anyone to know that. And today, we have the same feelings about hiding sometimes our identity. It could be religious, it could be all kinds of different identities that people hide today. So the message is that we have to be strong. We can overcome difficulties. And sometimes we do hide, but we can be who we are.
They also enjoyed discussion groups, in-person presenters, and games to enjoy the day. It was a very special day of great significance, and we would like to wish all who celebrate a very, very happy Purim. Now, come along with me to a magical place called the Westbury Senior Living in Columbia, Missouri. It's there that we're going to introduce you to Dave and Jackie and their whirlwind romance. Dave and Jackie are both residents at the Westbury Senior Living who had lost their partners and weren't looking for love again. No, they were not. However, after crossing paths through events at the community, love found them. Just a few short weeks after meeting one another, Dave popped the question to Jackie, and a few short weeks after that, the two tied the knot in the community they call home, the Westbury. The couple's romance caught the attention of local KOMU 8 and was then in turn brought to the attention of People magazine, who featured the couple on their website. You can find links to all of their coverage in the description down below, so check it out. A great big congratulations to Dave and Jackie for their newfound love and, of course, their life together. I don't know about you all, but we here at Arrow Senior Living, we love pets. We absolutely adore our furry friends, we marvel at our feathered flyers, and we squeal with delight at our reptile rescues. For all those reasons and more, Arrow recently celebrated National Justice for Animals Week. Justice for Animals Week is a time to recognize the ways that animals are suffering in the world and learn about ways that we can help them and improve their lives. Arrow also uses this time to hold foster education and adoption events. Communities everywhere welcomed all sorts of adorable animals and gave residents, visitors, and team members the opportunity to meet and bond with these loving creatures. We are thrilled to report that multiple animals found their forever homes with attendees of these events, including some going home with the dedicated and caring team members of those communities. Oh my! We hope that you all out there had an educational and cuddle-filled Justice for Animals Week. And if you've got the love and dedication it takes to bring in a pet, you too can make the life of an animal just full of love and joy. Happy Justice for Animals Week. Bringing this episode to a magnificent close, it's time to take a look at Employee Appreciation Day. Employee Appreciation Day is a special day of the year designated to honor and celebrate the workers that give it their all each and every day that they show up to work. Labor is the backbone of our society, and it's extremely important to make sure that employees know that they are valued and, of course, seen. To honor employees, community leaders organize gifts, delicious food, special parties and events, and so much more. Arrow employees are a very special breed of worker. It takes an especially dedicated, educated, compassionate person to work in senior living, and we are just so grateful and proud of all of the team members out there throughout our communities. They show up day in and day out, and they give exceptional effort, and they care for everything that they do, and we couldn't be more grateful to them for their endeavors. Ooh, hey, also, we'd like to give a special shout out to our plant operations directors and drivers for Maintenance Worker Appreciation Day. Great group of people. Our plant operation directors make sure that everything is running smoothly in our communities, from the plumbing to the electricity to the green grass on the lawns. These leaders are always giving it their all behind the scenes to make the communities dependable and, of course, luxurious. And the drivers always deliver, quite literally, ensuring that residents get safely to appointments, reservations, gatherings, or whatever else is on their agenda. A huge thank you to our plant ops directors, drivers, and to all of Arrow employees everywhere. You are all superstars, and you truly are what make Arrow communities a very special place to live and work. Happy Employee Appreciation Day. Woo! Yes! Well, everybody, that'll do it for this episode of Arrow Nicely News. I don't know about you all, but I am feeling jazzed to the max as we head into the weekend. You know, reporting the news to you all, it just never fails to lift my spirits. It also just puts a nice little pep to my step. Well, you know, saying goodbye is hard, but it's always a little easier knowing that we'll be back in 7 short days with even more heartwarming and delightful stories from around Arrow communities. Until then, for Arrow Nicely News, I'm your host, Lenny Hernandez. Have a wonderful weekend, an even better week, and we'll see you all next Friday. Bye.